Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zaid Amin. In this video, I will explain the overview, the issue of inattentive behavior when someone decides to share information, particularly on COVID-19 misinformation. The research questions in this study is about what actually main factor that affecting user attention when they decide to share information in social media, and how the technological interventions would be interfered user behavior when they decide to share information in social media, especially about COVID-19 misinformation. The issue in this research is also motivated us, which is the impact of large losses on the spread of misinformations, especially regarding about COVID-19 misinformations, because these misinformations related to the life and death in a person when they consuming incorrect information related to medical errors. This study aims to produce a model that can describe the selective exposure phenomenon amid COVID-19 misinformation, and also propose attention-based design in the context of human-computer interactions, which is expected to interfere user attention when they decide to share information. We divide the contents of this into 4 sections. In the introduction and objectives on section 1, we start with the data presented by Cisco, which states that the spreading of information today is very abundant and will continue to increase. And we also justify that sharing information with attentive behavior is very important. This is in line with study by Gavielkov in 2016 revealed that around 59% of links in Twitter were shared by users without even reading them. In this second sections, we're using the theory of selective attention through the spotlight and zoom lens design techniques and crowd intelligence based detection theory. In the third section of methodology, we using the tool that we have built for experimentation, and we call the tools Visual Selective Attention System, or VISAS. This VISAS is used to intervene participant attention when deciding to share information. In 4 sections, the results are: number 1, the selective exposure could influence user attention in handling sharing COVID-19 misinformation. Number 2, the studies reveal that selective exposure occurs when users encounter medical information such as vaccine use in children. Number 3, research into attention-based design and how those designs would affect selective exposure on a user in sharing COVID-19 misinformation is required. Number 4, the attention-based design also implied that a particular strategy would suggest intervening selective exposure amid COVID-19 misinformation. Research using a hybrid approach to seeing COVID-19 misinformation with a unifying machine and human collaboration will be necessary. As social beings, devices have limitations in terms of individual and social interactions. So, to conclude this research, we assert that attention-based design is able to significantly influence user attentions when they decide to share information. So that's all. Thank you very much.